Faber Piano Adventures, Level 4, pages 12 and 13. The song is called In the Hall of the Mountain King. I'm going to play through this once so you can see what it sounds like, and then we're going to talk about every detail. So let's get started. Here's middle C. Let's move up to treble C. We're going to put our third finger on E. And then on the left hand, we're just going to put our third finger on middle E. We're going to hold the pedal down to begin the song, and then our right and left hands are going to move deep into the bass of the piano. So let's take a listen. Now, with the very last note, there's a sforzando over it, which means you're supposed to hit it really loud, okay? It's staccato though, so just try to henpeck it pretty hard. Okay, now let's talk about all the details. When they first start the piece, there are accents over these first two, so they want you to go, but you're also supposed to be playing pianissimo, which is really soft, so kind of contradictory. I would probably just play it medium, like that. And then we're moving down from the treble E area and middle E. We're going down to bass, and we're moving down to A, and you'll notice there's a bass clef in the treble area right at the end of the first measure. So our right hand is way in the bass clef, and our left hand is going to be an octave lower than that, so really low on this A. Alright, and we're supposed to be playing staccato, but you'll notice there are accents almost in every single passage, so let's watch. Accent, accent, accent. Accent, accent, accent. So lots of accents. I'm just playing it slower right now so you can see. Accent. Now in this part you'll notice the left hand hitting C sometimes. Don't just stay playing B. Now we're playing A here, but I'm up in the treble area playing A, and my left hand is in this bass A here. So here's middle C, there's middle A, and we're going down to bass A here. This is just repeating a little bit higher. So you already know how to play it. Now the right hand moves up an octave higher, because it's 8 VA now. Still repeating. Now let's listen to the ending. So we have to move our hand from this A position up to E and D, and we play E and D, A and C, and then the low A that we started on in the bass. Alright, not so hard. We're playing the same pattern over and over and over again, but we're moving to different positions on the piano. So not so hard. What we're focusing on in this piece is to play that nice, clean staccato and getting those accents in there where they're written. Now, one final note on this. If you look on the top of page 12, this kind of just gives you a little exercise to play an A position and then going to E position. That's giving you an idea of what's going on there. And that's really what's happening throughout the piece. You're just playing from A, and then starting on measure 10 on page 13, we move to an E position with both hands. The one thing I'll say it again, the left hand's playing E to B, but it does go E to C a few times, so watch out for that. Most people miss that little change there. And then at some point on this page 13, when we're doing the higher version of this, you'll notice we went to C in the left hand. We also did that on the bottom of page 12. So pay close attention to the left hand. Oh, we did it on the top of page 13 too. It does jump to a C position for a measure occasionally. So be careful, pay close attention to your left hand. You do that, you'll probably be fine. You don't need to play it too fast, but if you want to, you can play it a little faster and have a little fun with it. So it is kind of fun to actually hype up the speed a little bit and have a good time with it. Anyway, hopefully that's enough information. Good luck with In the Hall of the Mountain.